Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Up Office. Just a quick show regarding 7950X by Undervolting. So at the moment it's in stock. I tried overclock, can't see the point because it's dragging so much power, fans is so loud, and the gain is just like 2 to 5%. It's just not worth it. Stock is fine, but let's see the figures. Just a quick show on Cinebench R23. Let's do it. So, temperatures very quickly 95, 96 degrees. Right? We can see okay. System power. Where's the system power? Need to find the system power for 10 minutes. Let's put this for 10 minutes. Start again. So, again. That's a GPU, CPU. Right, there we are. Right. CPU is taking around 225, 230 watts on a full load, plus it's constantly like 95, 96, and I have Ice Giant in at the moment from Threadripper. If we stop that and make a quick one-off, the score will be 37,200 or 400, something like that. We'll quickly see. That's a Cinebench score. Even a bit lower now. Maybe because it's quite hot. Let's try again. $36,950. So I had slightly more points yesterday. Alright, so let's open CPU Z or CPU D, or how it's called. Let's go to benchmark, single thread performance, validate, submit. Close that. Bench CPU. That's the results on stock. Okay. So now I will go in the Ryzen Master. Go on manual. If you have advanced view like this, it's a lot easier. If you go back to basic view, that's a CPU thing. Go manual. Put 4800. I have by default that, and put. Oh, maybe I didn't have. Let's reset it and apply and try the Cinebench again. Right. Maybe I had a bit of the undervolting already on. Let's try. What's the power? 224. A lot of power. No, I didn't. No, it's same. Right. Oh yeah. Yesterday I didn't have the glass installed, so it's probably helped a bit to gain more few points. Right. So now we go manual 480, and we put this down to 995. That's in my specs. I saw another video in YouTube where a person could put 985. Unfortunately, my system was not stable at 985, so I bumped it up to 995 and locked all cores to 4.8. Right, so we're gonna click apply and try again. Try again. Start. So now look at the temperatures. It's not going more than 65 degrees. That's amazing on a full load. Okay. So the score lost like 1000 points only. Plus the system is so quiet, even on a full load. The only issue what I found is the Ryzen Master is not always applying these on a system startup. So what I'm going to do now, we will go inside in the BIOS and put it manually as default, right? And try that way. And it's impressive if the system is running 100 watts less. And I by the way, I tested in games before, and there is only like 2 to 5 FPS difference. So when you have beefy cards like 3090, 4090, you're not gonna feel big difference in games. So on a multi-thread workload, it's basically the same as my previous Threadripper system, but it's using only like 100 watts, like 120 maximum. But the Threadripper system, it's just sucking power like more than 300, and that's a massive difference with this new CPU. It is impressive, I have to say. Well, I forgot to log in a BIOS, so my fault. Let's do again. That's what happens when you talk so much. So, you will be able to see this ASRock X670 Steel Legend BIOS as well. My next video will be regarding this GPU 4090 Undervolt. I already had a first impression last night. It is really good as well. Stay tuned for that. So, are we going to enter the BIOS? Come on. Yeah, the only downside with this new system now is that the reboots is quite long. Hopefully they will fix this with the BIOS updates in the future, but the reboots, as you can see, it's just very long. Oh, there we go. F2 or delete. Now we are inside. Right, so OC tweaker, CPU overclocking, customize, 4800 CPU voltage, minus 0995. You can see my settings. Right, I have XMP loaded for my memory, 6200, DDR5. That's it. That's all my settings at the moment. Nothing else change. Exit, save changes and exit. Yes. So now even if Ryzen Master is not applying, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter then, because it's locked in a BIOS. Done. Let's see. Okay, so after we applied in BIOS these settings, let's test. So at the moment in idle, the system CPU is taking only 40 watts, which is fine. Locked 4.8. Oh, 48 degrees now. Fine. Let's do a stress. No, let's do first to see the points. The system is bumping up to 63 degrees only, which is amazing. Amazing, so quiet, nice. So, the points we go, look. We lost like 1000 points only, that's it. So, the multi-thread load is just unbelievable. So now check what the power draw is. Look, 130 watts maximum, what you can get out. Not 230 like it was before, but 130, so we're saving 100 watts on a full load and nearly the same power. Same benchmark nearly results, and in games I tested it's fine. So definitely it's worth to do it. And I don't know how you guys, I'm not comfortable when even in hardware info on a default is constantly showing the red things like 95, 96 degrees on a full load. It's so hot. I just don't like it. So by doing this, you're saving electricity, you're saving on noise levels. This is the results on undervolted.
No, dang it!
Compared to stock.
Come on, Delphine. Let's do.
Right, okay then, so next video now I will show you tutorial of GPU 4090 undervolting, and bye for now.